Assalamualaikum everyone. We have some used laptop. I will show you. I have a huge quantity here. Okay, and some in the box, but I'll show you some models. We have HP, we have Dell, we have Toshiba, and we have HP again and different model. But we will start from here. This one HP Elitebook 2170. Okay. This one third generation and Core i5. Let me show you the property. Yeah. Okay, it's working fine and in excellent condition, but it's used one and good for e-learning. Good for kids and good for e-learning. The size is 12-inch only. Okay, as you can see, it's a third generation Core i5, 4GB RAM and 320GB hard drive. Okay, 320GB hard drive, 4GB RAM, and MS Office already installed. Register 1. Okay, let me show you MS Office. Okay, here we go. MS Office, Excel. How to open? It's already registered. Okay, let me close this one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, product is activated. So MS Office 2010 is already installed and registered one, and it's having 4GB RAM and 320GB hard drive. Okay, let me show you the body condition. Is in excellent condition, no scratches, no dent, no crack, working fine. Okay, the other one also the same model, having 4GB RAM, 320GB hard drive, MS Office install. Okay, register one, and Windows 8 register one also installed. Okay, let me show you MS Office. Okay, we'll open Excel file and show you. Yeah, product is already activated, so no need to activate. Window already activated 2008, I think. Yeah, Windows 8 is installed. Yes, it is 8.1. Window is already activated. 4GB RAM, 320GB hard drive, third generation, is in excellent condition. So if you want for e-learning or for job applying, it's a good laptop for web browsing, and it's having very good battery timing, like 4 hours, 5 hours, depend on using. Okay, having camera and body screen size is 12-inch only. Okay, now we will see the Dell. Okay, Dell Latitude 3150. Basically it's Celeron, not Core i5, but it's in excellent condition, and it's having 4GB RAM, 320GB hard drive, the same one. Okay, let me show you the property. Yeah, it's a Celeron 2.16 GHz, 4GB RAM, 320GB hard drive, MS Office already installed, and it's having camera, and it's good for web browsing, and good for kids, and good for e-learning. Okay, product is already activated. Let me show you. Yeah, it's already activated, so no need to activate again and again. Okay, we will turn off this one and we will see the other one. Yeah, it's also having the same specifications, same model. And now we will see Toshiba. We have Toshiba, Windows 8 already installed, register one, and it's having DVD-ROM, and it's in excellent condition. Body condition is very good, and it's having HDMI port also. As you can see, it's having HDMI port. This one also Core i5, and clean as new, 320 GB hard drive with DVD-ROM, as you can see. And let me show you the property. Core i5 and second generation, some third generation, some having second generation. Window is activated, but I will mention the price and description so you can see there which one you want exactly. Okay, this one having DVD-ROM and keypad, normal one, and having camera and 14-inch screen size. Okay, and excellent condition, no scratches, good condition. This one also the same model but don't have charge, I think. Yeah, I keep on charge, so I'll show you later this one. Okay, now we will see this one. This one also HP 2540P. Okay, this one also having the same specification, 4 GB RAM, 320 GB hard disk, and Core i5 third generation. And body condition you can see is an excellent condition, clean as new, no fault. Okay, but this one don't have DVD-ROM. Okay, and don't have charge. Let me see. It does not have charging, so that's why I cannot show you the properties and display. Yeah, it don't have charge. Okay, it's okay, but I have this model also, more quantity. Okay, so that's it guys, that's what I have for now. For more videos, for good price, for good products, you have to subscribe my channel and share this video if you can. And thank you so much for your love and support, and keep supporting me, and thank you so much. Love you all and God bless.